In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert WEBM to MP4. If you've ever downloaded a screen recording or a clip that plays perfectly in your browser but won't open in your editing app or on your phone, it's likely a WEBM file. MP4 is more universal and works on most devices and platforms, so converting is a quick fix. We'll use two popular browser-based tools, Cloud Convert and Convertio, and the process is the same in both. Upload your WEBM file, select MP4 as the format, click Convert, and download the result. Let's start with Cloud Convert. Open the Cloud Convert website in your browser. You don't need to install anything. First, upload your WEBM file. You can click the Select File button and choose the file from your computer, or simply drag and drop it onto the page. If your video is stored in a cloud drive, you can also choose it from there. Larger files may take a moment to upload, so a stable internet connection helps. Next, select MP4 as the output format. You'll see a format menu next to your file. Open it and choose MP4. You can leave the default settings as they are for a straightforward conversion. Keeping it simple ensures you preserve the original quality as much as possible without extra configuration. Now click Convert. Cloud Convert will process the file on their servers and you'll see a progress indicator. Just let it run. There's nothing else you need to do at this stage. When it's done, download the result. Click the download button to save the new MP4 to your computer. It's a good idea to play it once to confirm audio and video look right and keep the original WEBM until you're satisfied with the conversion. If you prefer an alternative, Convertio works in almost the same way. Open the Convertio website. Upload your WEBM file by dragging it in or selecting it from your device or cloud storage. Then choose MP4 as the format from the list. Click Convert to start the process and wait while the file is transformed. Finally, download the result to your computer and give it a quick test. That's all there is to it. Whether you use Cloud Convert or Convertio, the workflow is consistent. Upload your WEBM file, select MP4, click Convert, and download the result. This simple approach gets your video into a widely compatible format without installing software, making it easy to share, edit, or play on virtually any device.